Video number 4. Important changes to GMB after COVID-19. Here's what you need to know about COVID-19 updates and suggestions for Google My Business listings. Important Google My Business COVID-19 updates. Google initially placed the following notice on each listing within the Google My Business dashboard. This notice has been removed recently. Due to this announcement, update your listings as soon as possible to inform your customers of your COVID-19 business operations. Google has also placed an alert on all listings to bring attention to the customers of COVID-19 effects on business operations. This alert you cannot remove from displaying on your listings. Keep your business listing updates consistent. Google is continually crawling the web to gather details about your business's web presence. That said, it's key to keep your GMB and other directories, NAP, name, address, and phone number, consistent and accurate. Search engines will use this data to trigger your listing to display in Near Me results and potentially in the local 3-pack results. All in all, keep your COVID-19 updates constant, accurate, and relevant across all directories. Suggested COVID-19 updates for your Google My Business local listings. If your business is affected by COVID-19, update your Google My Business profile to provide the most accurate information to your customers. You can provide updates about your business to customers such as your adjusted hours of operation, for instance if you close early. Add more hours that describe other business operations such as delivery, takeout, and drive-through. Select an attribute to show you offer online services such as classes, appointments, or estimates. Delays on specific business services. Extra services you are providing for the community. If your business is temporarily closed. The updates will show on your business profile on Google Search and Maps. Food and retail. Use attributes to highlight available service options. Food and retail businesses have attributes at the top of their business profiles to inform customers about service availability. These include dine-in, takeout, and delivery. This new info will prominently appear on your business profile when customers search for your business on Google Maps and Google Search. Supported attributes have a check mark, and non-supported attributes display an X. Services use attributes to highlight online service options. They have added an attribute to help users discover in-home service, educational, and professional businesses that have shifted online due to COVID-19. Businesses still need to have a physical operating presence, and online-only businesses are not eligible to verify their business profiles on Google My Business. These attributes are to assist physical businesses that offer online services. When you indicate that an online service is provided, your business profile will prominently show online classes, appointments, or estimates as supported with a check mark. Business description. Adding a COVID-19 message from the business in your GMB business description is no longer an option. If you did not update your business description to include COVID-19 business details prior to April 7, 2020, then you are now stuck with the business description currently implemented. What you can do is use the COVID-19 Google post to inform customers of your current operations. Business name. In the early stages of COVID-19, Google recommended to update your business name to reflect your business operations, but now Google has become stricter with business name changes since the temporarily closed feature was reinstated. For example, you cannot update your business name to business name -curbside only. Google experts suggest using the attribute area to provide details regarding your COVID-19 business operations such as curbside only, dine out, takeout, and order ahead. Add a COVID-19 update post to your profile. Posts that include a phone number may be rejected. Use the COVID-19 post type to share more detailed and timely updates about what's going on at your business. You can add information about closures or reduced hours, safety and hygiene practices, availability of gift cards to support your business, online classes, and visits. Recommendations for healthcare providers. Healthcare providers like doctors, therapists, and other medical practitioners can use Google My Business to claim and manage their practice's info. A COVID-19 info link is also available for healthcare providers to link out to their facility's COVID-19 information page to provide details on the facility's operations and practices during the pandemic. This may include COVID-19 testing information, restricted visitor hours, a COVID-19 hotline, and/or whether visits and appointments are still occurring in person. Important: the COVID-19 info link is available in the U.S. and displays on mobile only. Recommendations for hotel owners. If your hotel is affected by the COVID-19 situation, update your business profile on Google to provide the most accurate information to your customers. You can surface specific amenities and information on your business profile, such as free or discounted accommodation for COVID-19 responders. To surface this information, select the attribute in your business profile. Hours and services disclaimer. At this time, businesses may find a disclaimer on their profile to let customers know that their business info may not be up to date. Verified businesses can remove this disclaimer when they update recent special hours. The disclaimer won't appear if a business hasn't set hours of operation or if you mark your business temporarily closed. If you mark your business temporarily closed, attributes such as takeout or delivery won't display on your profile. About temporary closures. Google relies on authoritative data sources, where available, to mark certain types of places as temporarily closed on Google Search and Google Maps. Tip: if a business is marked temporarily closed, attributes for both dining and retail establishments won't surface on Google Search and Maps. If your business still operates through takeout or delivery, you should not mark it as temporarily closed. It's imperative to incorporate local business listing updates to your digital marketing plan during the COVID-19 pandemic. It's the fastest and easiest way to connect with your customers, returning and new. And if you've had your marketing efforts on pause thus far, here's a note as to why you should rethink that. Thank you for. See you in the next video lesson.